I think, and then we're just going to see the beach close to our place. So yeah, so if I don't like it, we can swim. We can swim. We can swim. So we are going to explore the hotel for you. So my friends, that's the swimming pool right there. But yeah, we're just seeing the beach. I think if I don't like it, we're just going to swim. So wait for it. So yeah, this is going to be fun or not? Sunglasses, I love it. I love it. So because when it's supposed to be yellow, but if it goes to sunlight, it will turn orange. What is this truck? This is the big boy truck. My friend, this is like the jungle. This is like the jungle. Oh my god. This is like the jungle. This is like the jungle. One more jungle. Oh, even more. My friend, this is like cool because we have a truck. So yeah, we are at the beach. There's a lot of disgusting worms. So my friend, we are at the beach. This beach is so cool and clean. Trees are so big, which is cool. And I love to go to Bali. I want to go to Bali again, like 4 days again, or just 8 days. Okay. So let's just see over there. So yeah, this is going to be really, really, really fun. We're not going to the beach, but I'm just going to go swimming in the hotel with just, yeah. We're just going to go to the hotel again. So where's the truck again? Is it gone or it's still there? We are arrived at the hotel again because I want to go swimming. So yeah, we're just going to go to the swimming pool. Where is it? But the pool is really deep, so I gotta be careful. So yeah, we're here. So see, right over there, I think, on the umbrellas. So yeah, I think we're there. Come on, we are going to swim. because the holiday is almost ended. So we got the flight like at night, and then we are at Happy Gen. So yeah, I'm sad about it. So the good news is we have got a swing. The thing I love. And the bad news is the holiday almost ended. So you know why I'm using a plaster right now? Because
Why is it?
because
Can we see your finger? Show me your finger. What happened?
so for no reason it got red, and then it feels like it hurts. Yes. But now, plaster. So my friends, this is called oyster. So it's fresh already, not like cooked or something. So my friends, I'm done after eating. So we're going to like go to somewhere else, I think, until we go to the flight. So my friends, we are at the restaurant called Novotel. So because we're going out of Bali at 11 o'clock. So then even more fun in here. So yeah. So it is a big restaurant. The bad news is it's raining, but the good news, we did not waiting until 11 o'clock. Yeah, there's place whatever we can call this. And oh, this is big. Another store. Inside the store. Store. Ah, it's raining. Ooh. Oh no. Disgusting. So this house is super big. So I think that's all. So airport. So actually we went to like check the package and then something else. So thank you for today, for 4 days, for following me. Okay, thank you for today.